Hello everyone. Class 6, Subject Maths, Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers. We are going to discuss today about Chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers. Let us see introduction of the knowing numbers. Knowing our numbers helps us in counting objects in large numbers and representing them through numerals. Numbers helps in communicating through suitable number names and to count concentrate objects. They help us to say which collection of bigger and arrange them in order. Now, in this we are going to learn about like greatest numbers and smallest numbers. Large numbers means already we have studied in previous class also. Let us see the greatest and smallest numbers. Here I have given few of examples: 96, 578, 1, 5914, 8462. This is our question. So in this what you have to find means first you should write the greatest number. Next you should find smallest number. So now here they have asked you to find the greatest number. So greatest number, how you have to find is first you should compare the digits. Here 2 digits, here 3 digits, 1 digit, and here 4 digits, and here again 4 digits we have. So here 2 or 4 digits are there. So now you have to compare the left side numbers, that is in first digit. Here 5 is there and here 8 is there. So obviously we know 8 is a greater number, so we write this as a greatest number. So the greatest number is 8462. So in the same way the smallest number is, so here among all these numbers only one number it is there which is 1 digit. So this is the smallest number. 1 is the smallest number. Let us see the another example. 45, 601, 338, 7612. So among all these, which is the greatest number? So here 2 digits, 3 digits, again 3 digits, 4 digits. So we know that which will be with the greater digits, that is the greatest number. So 7612 is the greatest number. Next, the smallest number. So here we have only one number with 2 digits, that is 45. So the smallest number is 45. Next, let us see one more example. 1, 114, 10, 674. So among all these numbers, which is the greater number? So we know that the greater number is 674. The greatest number is 674, and the smallest number is here 01. It is 2 digit, but 01 means it considered as 1 only. So the smallest number will be 1. Now let us see the formation of greatest and smallest number. So by using the digits, so how we will form the greatest number and smallest number, let us see. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and smallest numbers. Here they will give you the digits, and see here 9, 1, 7, 4, 8, 6, 3. So these are the digits they have given. So by using these digits, you should make a greatest number and smallest number. So but among these numbers, one number also you should not repeat again. Let us see how we will form the greatest number. First we will form greatest number is. So here they have given 9, 1, 7, 4, 8, 6, 3. So in these digits, first you should find which is the greater number, means the bigger number. So we say that 9 is the bigger number. Next, leaving 9, remaining these numbers, which is the bigger number, 8. So we write like this, 9, 8. Then after 8, which is the bigger number in these? 7. Next, 6. Next, 4. Next, 3. The last one is 1. So in this way we will write. So just first we will write the digits as it is. Then we have to place the commas after 3 digits, next 2 digits. So this number will read as 98,76,431. So in this way we write greatest number. Now let us see how do we write smallest number. So just opposite. So from small number to you have to come. 9, 1, 7, 4, 8, 6, 3 is there. So in this first you should write which is a small number. 1 is a small number. Next 3. Next 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after writing this, we place the commas first after 3 digits and after 2 digits. So this number is read as 13,46,789. So in this way we write. We form greatest numbers and smallest numbers. Next, let us see comparison of number. So how we will compare the numbers? In the sense, how do we use greater than, lesser than the numbers? See here, there are some rules are there. How you will compare the numbers? In order to compare two numbers, we adopt the following rules. So here are some rules. What is that rules? We will see. So first one is rule 1. The number with less digits is less than the number with more digits. So this means, so first you have to compare the numbers when they give which numbers will be the big. So now for example, I will give you 56,287. Then one more number I will give you here, 69,58,265. So now here this is the number with less digits is less than the number with more digits. Okay, so first if they give like this, you have to compare the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you have 5 digits number, and you see the next number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here is 5 digit and here is 7 digit. So now here the number with less digits, that means here we have less digits, 5 only. Here we have more digits. So obviously this number is lesser than this number. So that means here we place, what we will place? We place the digit, we place here lesser than. Rule number 2 says, suppose we have to compare two numbers having the same number of digits, then we proceed as under. See, suppose here, so example I have given 5 digits it is there, and this side 7 digits is there. So in case this side also, left side also 5 digits and the right side also 5 digits is there. So in both the sides when you compare, if you have the same numbers, what you have to do? So again under rule 2 we have another rule. What it is? See, step 1, what you have to do? First, compare the digits at the leftmost place in both the numbers. First, what you have to do means, in case if it is 2 also same numbers, means you have to compare the first numbers. This side also first number and this side also first number. In case if it is also same, what you have to do? See the next step 2. If they are equal in value, then compare the second digits from the left. Suppose first number also same in both the sides, and again second number also same in the next left side also. What you have to do next? If the second digits from the left are equal, then compare the third digit from the left. So first number also same, second number also same, third number also same. So what you have to do? So you should go for the next number. Continue until you come across unequal digits at the corresponding places clearly. The number with greater such digit as the greater of the two. So how you will do that for this? I will give you the example. Let us see. See here. I will give you like 56,889,785. Next, this side also I will give you 56,956. Now you see here first digit 5, here also first digit 5, both are same. Again second digit, so when the first digits are same, you should go to the next digit. Here 6 and again here 6. So this 6 also second digit also same. Again you should see the third digit. Here 8 is there and again here 8 is there. So this also same. Again you should go to the next number. Here 9 is there and again here also 9 is there. So what you have to do? So now here all the 4 digits which we compared is same only. Now what you should do? Next digit you have to compare. So here 7 is there and here 9 is there. So now we got here 2 different numbers. So until you get like this, the different numbers, you should be comparing the digits. So now here you got 7 and here 9. So we know that which is the small and which is the big. So obviously 7 is the small and 9 is the big number. So now we can compare 56,89,785 is lesser than 56,89,956. So in this way we will compare the numbers. Now I hope you understood how to compare the numbers. Next we will see how you will write ascending and descending orders. So I hope you understood comparing numbers, how you will write. Let us see. So here are some examples are there how you have to compare the numbers. Solved examples I have given here. Example 1, which is greater. So here the questions they have given, in this you have to compare whether it is greater than or lesser than. So you can read this number as 2 crore 45 lakh 76,813 or 98 lakh 97,686. See here, so you can see, so according to the rule number 1, a number with more digits is greater. If less digits means it will be the lesser than. So now here, if you see here, 8 digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 digits are there. Whereas here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So here 8 digits are there, here 7 digits are there. So this number will be greater than this number. See, a number with more digits is greater. So 2 crore 45 lakh 76,813 is greater than 98 lakh 97,686. Let us see the next example. Example 2, which is smaller, 10 lakh 3,467 or 98 lakh 97,965. Here they have asked you which is smaller. A number with less digits is smaller, as we have seen earlier. So here the digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 7 digits are there. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So same digits are there. So now here the digits are same. So what you have to do? So you should compare the first number. So here 1 is there and here 9 is there. So obviously this number is smaller than this. So 10 lakh 3,467 is lesser than 98 lakh 97,965. Now, so I hope you understood how to compare the numbers by using lesser than or greater than. Now, let us see ascending and descending order. So, ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order we have learned in earlier classes also. So, ascending order means we write small to big. So, here I will give you few examples. Let us see. Arrange the following in ascending order. So here is a question. 382, 89,426, 98, 8,745. So this is our question. Now these numbers you have to arrange in ascending order. So how do you arrange this? So first you should arrange the numbers from small to big. So here this is 3-digit number and this is 5-digit number, 2-digit number, 4-digit number. So which will be with the less digits, that will be the small number, as we learned in last comparison numbers. So now here this number is the 2-digit number. First we will write this number 98. Next is 3-digit number. This we will write as 382. So next here 5-digit, 4-digit. So now next we will write 8,745, which is in 4 digits. The last one, which is in 5 digits, 89,426 we write. So in this way we arrange from small to bigger. 98, 382, 8,745, 89,426. So in this way we arrange ascending order. Let us see one more example. 4,589, 98,712, 5,897, 98,741, 4,875. So these are the numbers how you are going to arrange. Now here all the numbers are in 4 and 5 digits only. This is 4-digit number, this is 5-digit number, this is 4-digit number, again 5-digit, and here 4 digits. Now which is small? So here you see 4-digit numbers, we have 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3. So here first you should compare in this 4-digit first number. Here 4 is there, here 5 is there, and again here 4 is there. So now in 4 we have 2 numbers, this 4,875 and 4,589. So next what you have to, in these 2 cases you have both the first ones are same. Next let us see the next digit. Here 5 is there and here 8 is there. So 8 is small or 5 is small? 5 is the small. So we write as 4,589 is the first number. Next we write 4,875. So next here you have 3 numbers. 98,712, 98,741. So first after writing these 4 digits, finished 4-digit numbers. Next we will go to 5-digit number. Here 98,000 and here also 98,000. Next also here 700, again here 700. The third digit also same. Next you see here fourth digit 1 is there and here 4 is there. So 1 is small, so we write 98,712 and the last number we write as 98,741. So in this way we arrange ascending order from small to big. Now let us see next one, descending order. So you know descending order is the opposite of ascending order. So in ascending order we write small to big. In descending order we write bigger number to smaller number. Let us see the example. Arrange the following in descending order. So here I have given the example as 65, 47,820, 542, 5,069. So this is how you will arrange in descending order. So we arrange first the bigger number here, 2-digit number, 5-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. So now you know that 5 digits is the bigger number. So we write first as 47,820. So we write next which is in 4-digit we write 5,069. So next which is in 3 digits 542 and last which is in 2-digit number we write as 65. So in this way we will arrange from bigger number to smaller number in descending order. Let us see the next example. Second one, 9,999, 50,985, 25, 989, 7,059. So in this how you will arrange? Here 4 digit, 5 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. So which is in 5 digit, that is the bigger number. So we will write as first 50,985. So here 4 digit, 2 numbers are there. 9,000, 7,000. So 9,000 is the big number. So we will write 9,999 and the next number 7,059. So next is in only these two are left now. So this is the 3-digit number. So we will write as 989. Next we write which is in 2 digits 25. So in this way we will arrange descending order from bigger number to smaller number. I hope you understood ascending and descending order. Next let us see Indian place value system. So already we have learned in earlier classes also this Indian place value system. So how you will write Indian place value system? So here in Indian place value chart, so these are the periods. So you know that there will be 4 periods. These are called periods. The ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, crores period. See here and under ones period we have 3 columns which is ones, tens, hundreds. So ones, tens, hundreds. Next in the same way under thousands period also we have 2 places, thousands and 10,000s. Next in the same way lakhs period also we have lakhs and 10 lakhs. Crores period also we have crores and 10 crores. So this is the short form we write. So ones we write as O, tens we write as T, hundreds we write as H. And in under thousands period for thousands we write TH and 10,000s we write TTH. Lakhs we write L. And for 10 lakhs we write as TL, crores we write as C, and for 10 crores we write as TC. So this way we will write first. Okay, so these are the periods and these are the places. For example, here they have given one example, one in 10 crores period, place 0, crores place 5, 10 lakhs place 2, lakhs place 1, thousands place 0, 10,000s place 0, thousands place 5. Hundreds place 7, tens place 4 and in ones place 7. So this number how we will read. So first we will write this number like this and you know that after ones period we will place comma and after thousands period we place comma, after lakhs period we place comma. So that means first after 3 digits and after every 2 digits we place the commas. So this number is read as 5 crore, 21 lakh, 5,747. So we read as 5 crore, 21 lakh, 5,747. So this is the Indian place value chart. Now let us see international place value chart. International place value chart, there will be only 3 periods which is ones, thousands, millions. Okay, so here only 3 periods we have and under 3 periods also we have three columns. So which is ones, tens. In under ones period we have ones, tens, hundreds, and again in the same way in thousands place, thousands period we have thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. Again in the same way under millions period we have million, 10 million, and 100 millions. So this is the way we write, like how we write millions, thousands, all. So here one more example it is given. In 100 million place 8, 10 millions place 3, millions place 0. And in the same way in thousands place we have 4, 10,000 place we have 2, thousands place you have 7, hundreds place 5, tens place 9, and ones place 6. So this number how do you read? So here in international place value chart, after every 3 digits we place commas. That means after ones period comma, after thousands period comma, we will place. So that means after 3 digits. So how do you read this number? 830 million 427,596. I repeat again, 830 million 427,596. In this way, we will write number name in international place value chart. I hope you understood Indian and international place value chart. Let us see next expanded form. So how do we write numbers in expanded notation? See here, when we write the number 521, what that number really means is that we have the total of 500 plus 20 plus 1. So that means 521 the number means. So just we extend the periods 500, 20 plus 1. So we have expanded the number to show the value of each of its digits. When we expand a number to show the value of each digit, we are writing that number in expanded form. Let us see the example. Here I have given 4,57,928. So how we have written for 521, in the same way we should write here. But here lakhs, thousands, all are there. So now how we will write? As you know, we have learnt in Indian and international chart. So this is the number which is in Indian place value system. So now here 4 lakhs are there. So that means 4 into 1 lakh plus here 5 10,000s are there. So that 5 into 10,000 plus here 7,000s are there. 7 into 1,000 plus 900s. 9 into 100. 2 tens, that means 2 into 10, and 8 ones, 8 into 1. So this is the way we write in expanded form, or else you can write directly also. So how you will write directly? Let us see how you will write directly. 4 into 1 lakh means, so how you will write? 4 into 1 lakh, which comes 4 lakh. So how you will write? 4 into 1 lakh, it means 4 lakh. So here we write as 4 lakh. Next 4 lakh. 4 into 1 lakh is 4 lakh. Then plus 5 into 10,000. So which is 50,000. Directly also you can write. Then here you have 7 into 1,000. So 7 into 1,000 means 7,000. Then here 9 into 100 means 900 plus 2 into 10 which is 20 plus 8 into 1 which is 8. So in this way also you can write. So like this also you can write, or like this also you can write. Both the ways are correct only. Now let us see the next example. So one more example here. So which is 19,05,346. So here in 10 lakhs, how many are there? 1 are there. So 1 into 10 lakh we write. Then here 9 lakhs are there. So we write as 9 into 1 lakh. Plus here in 10,000s plus you have, in 10,000s place you have 0. So which is 0 into 10,000. So if any number if you multiply with 0, you get 0 that you know. So simply you can write as 0 or in this way also you can write. Next in 5,000s place you have 5,000s. So which is 5 into 1,000. In hundreds place 3 is there, 3 into 100. In tens place you have 4 tens which is 4 into 10. And again here in ones place you have 6. So which is 6 into 1. So in this way we write expanded form. Let us see next. Rounding numbers. So how you will round the numbers? So first we will learn nearest to 10. Rounding a number to the nearest 10. So how you will round the number to the nearest tens? See here what you should do. See the ones digit of the given number. First you should see in ones number what the in ones number, ones digit what it is there. Next, step 2, if one's digit is less than 5, replace one's digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. So that means here, see here, if one's digit or less than 5, replace one's digits. For example, I will give you here 52. 52 I will give. So this number what you should do means you should round off to the nearest 10. So now here if you want to round off to nearest tens, you have to check the place of one's digit. So now here in one's digit we have 2. So this 2 is less than 5, you know that. 2 is less than 5, we know that. So now this number, if it is less than 5 means what we have here? So we should replace the digit as same, and which will be in the ones digit, it will become 0. So then it will become 0. So this 52 when you round off to nearest tenth, it will become 0. So this. So again here you have example 3. Third step, what you should do. If one's digit it is 5, increases tens digit by 1 and replace one's digit by 0. So which means here 53. So that is in the step 2. The one's digit is 3 which is less than 5. So the required number will be rounded to 50. Okay. Next see. Next one is the numbers round off to the 100. Round off to the nearest 100. So how you have to do when you round off to nearest 100? So as we have seen in the nearest tens, if you round off to the number to the nearest 10, you should check the number which is in one's digit. So if it is less than 5, the number will be as it is. If in case the number will be one's digit which is greater than 5, that number will be round off to the next number. So same way here also, if you round off to the nearest 100, see the tens digit of the given number. See here, if you round off to nearest 100, you should check tens digit. Okay, so in tens digit, what you have to do next? If tens digit is less than 5, replace each one of tens and one's digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. As we have seen in nearest tens, same way here also. If the number which is in tens place, if it is less than 5, in one's place, the number we have to keep as 0 and the number will be as same only. Next, in case, if the number is more than 5, what you have to do? If the digit is 5 or more, so it may be 5 or more than 5 also. Increase hundreds digit by 1 and replace each digit on its right by 0. So that means the ones place what the number will be, that will become 0, and tens digit place also will become 0, and which is in hundreds place, that will change to the next number. So let us see the example. In 648, the tens digit is 4. So here in the tens digit is 4, which is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So the required rounded number is 600. So this is less than 5. So automatically this ones place and tens place both will become 0. So the number will become 0. Okay. So now let us see in case if it is more than 5. what will happen? So I will give you example here. 68. 68, what it will become? See here, you can see so here we have to round off to the number hundreds. So now you have to, if you round off to the hundreds, you should check the number which is in tens place. So here tens place we have 8, which is greater than 5. So this number will change to, so that means this ones place and the tens place will become both 0, and which is in hundreds place, this will come to next number. So that means it will round off to 700. So suppose next example I will give you. Suppose here you have 655. So round off to the number to the 100. 655 you should round off to the 100. See here, so if you round off to the 100, you should check the place in tens digit. So here in the tens place you have 5. So 5 if you get also, this ones place and tens place both will become 0, and this number will come to the next number. So that means this also gives us 700. So in this way we will round to nearest numbers. Now let us see nearest thousands. So how we will change the numbers to the nearest thousands. Round off the numbers to the nearest thousands. So how you will change? Let us see what is the rule for this. See the hundreds digit of the given number. So as we know, if you round off to the tens, you should see the place of ones digit. If you round off to the hundreds, you should check tens digit. If you round off to thousands, you should check hundreds digit. Now see what is the rule. If hundreds digit is less than 5, replace each one of hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0 and keep the other digits as they are. Same only. If it is less than 5, so ones digit, tens digit and hundreds digit. So all the 3 will become 0 and the number which is in thousands, that will be as it is. Next see, let us see what is the third rule. If hundreds digit is 5 or more than 5. So in hundreds digit, in case if it is 5 or which is more than 5 also, increase the thousand digit by 1. So suppose if you have there 6 means, for that you should add 1. Increase digit by plus 1. Then replace each digit on its right by 0. Remaining all ones place, tens place, hundreds place, all will become 0. Okay, let us see the example. In 5486, the hundreds digit is 4. See here you can see in hundreds digit we have 4 which is less than 5. This is less than 5. So the required number will be 5000. That means ones place, tens place, hundreds place both will become 0 and the 5000 will remain as it is same. Now let us see the example if it is greater than 5. Suppose now here I will give you 7648. I will give. So you should round off this number to nearest 100. So now you can see here in the hundreds place you have 6. So this which is greater than 5. So now this ones place, tens place, hundreds place, this 3 will become 0 and 7. So increased by 1. So that means 7 plus 1. So it will become 8000. So this number will be round off to 8000. So in this way we will learn how to round off the numbers to nearest 1000. I hope you understood how to round up the numbers to nearest tens, hundreds and next let us see. Next topic is Roman numbers. Roman numbers, you learned this topic also already in last year classes. So these are the Roman numbers, these are the Hindu Arabic numerals. So in the Roman numbers, if you write these symbols, what is the value in what is the value for these symbols? So this is the Roman numeral and this is Hindu Arabic numeral. So this means Hindu Arabic numeral means which we write normal numbers. So I represents 1, V represents 5, X represents 10, L represents 50, C represents 100, D represents 500, M represents 1000. So these are the constant values. You should by heart this. Okay. So now let us see what is the rules. One of the early systems of writing numerals is the system of Roman numerals. There are 7 basic symbols to write any numeral. These symbols are given below. So now we have learned this table. So these are the symbols that. So now for this also here we have some rules. So how you have to write the Roman numbers. So there are 4 rules. So we will see now what is the rules. So this is the table we have learned now, and let us see the rule number 1. Numerals I, X, C and M. So I, X, C, M. So these can be repeated to represent a number. Repetition of these numerals means addition. These numbers, so in case if it is, suppose I will take now 1. So here, so if we write this is 3 times. So which means what? So you have to add. See here, numerals means addition. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1, which gives you 3. So to write 3 in Roman numeral, we use this number. Okay. So same way, if you write X it is there, no? So this X also I will write 2 times. So this value means how much? So you know that X value is 10. 10 plus 10, which gives you 20. Same way you will write C. I will give you C. So you have to write the number for this. So this means what? C means you know 100. Here 300s are there. 3 C's they have given. So that means 100, 100, 100. So how much it will become? 300. So same way here M also you can write. Suppose I will give you 2 M's. What is the value of 2 M's? So you know that 1000 M value is 1000 plus 1000. So which gives you 2000. So in this way we will write. So whereas, so why can't you write for remaining numbers? Why can't you write for remaining numbers? So what is there? The remaining numbers here 5 is there, and here L, if these 2 are left. So now we will see what will happen if you write that. Suppose now I will write V. So V means you know that the value is 5. So 5 plus 5. So why can't you write this 5 plus 5, 10? So why we should not write means, so this we have here the value of X is 10. So this is wrong. We should not write this like this. So this is wrong. So we have for the value of X is 10. In such a way we will write. Same thing will happen whereas in L also. L if you write it 2 times, it will become 50 plus 50, 100. So whereas we have for C value is 100. Let us see rule number 2. So what is the rule number 2? A smaller numeral written to the right of a greater value is always added to the greatest numeral. A smaller numeral written to the right side, if you write a small number, what will happen? So that means it's always added to the greatest numeral. Let us see the example for this. So how you will write? So here what they have given, a smaller numeral written to the right of a greater value. Suppose now I will write Ix. So this means what? See here you can see clearly. So 1 is a smaller number and X is a bigger number. So I value is 1 and X value is 10. So in this case what you have to, see here, first you have to write the smaller numeral written to the right of a greater number. So X, I will write. So here this means X means 10, I means 1, you know that. So that means it will add 10 plus 1, which will become 11. So if you want to write 11, so you will write XI. So in Roman number, you will write like this. Now let us see one more example. Suppose if you want to write 57, I will give you 50. 50 value is L. So this means what? So you know that L means 50. So these are First is L is bigger number and 5 also bigger number, and these two also small number. So that means if you write right side of the greater number, so that means L is a greater number. So right side we have written is VII. So right side of the bigger number, if you write the smaller numbers, what will become means that will be addition. So V value you know which is 5, and here I means 1 plus 1. So which gives you 50 plus 5, 55, 56, 57. So this value is 57. So in this way we will write the numbers. So this is the rule number 2. So now let us see the third rule, what it is. So a smaller numeral written to the left of a numeral of greater value is always subtracted from the greater numeral. Now in the rule number 2 we have seen if you write right side small numbers, what will become means it will be addition. Same way if you write left side, what will happen? So left side, now I will give you the example X. See here you can see clearly this X is a bigger number and 1 is a smaller number. So which is small number. So this means we have written left side of the bigger number. So this means minus. So that means, so we have to minus from the bigger number. So you know that always in the subtraction from bigger number to smaller number, we will add. So that means 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 how much? 9. So this way we will write. Let us see the one more example. Suppose you have 24 I will give. So that means VIX. So how you will write this number? So you know that. So this is the 10 and here V1 it is there. So that means this means you know that the value is 4. IV means 4. So that means 10 minus 4. So which gives you let us see one more example. XXIV. So I will give you this. So how you will write this? So 10 plus 10. This you know how much? 20. Okay. So this then, this is 5 minus 1. So which is 5 minus 1. So that means how much? 5 minus 1 is 4. So here 20 plus 5 minus 4 which is equal to 24. So in this way we will write. Or else one more example also you can see. 40. How you will write? So now you can see here this is L is a bigger number which means 50. So X value is 10. 50 minus 10. So how much you will get? So 50 minus 10 is 40. So if you want to write 40, we will write as XL. So in this way, we will write the Roman numbers. So now let us see another rule. What you have? Rule number 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between two numerals of greater value, it is always subtracted from the numeral. So that means here when a small numeral, so suppose here two numbers are there. So in between two numbers, if you place the smaller number, what will happen? See here the example they have given XXIX. So that means you know the value of XX means 10 plus 10. And here, so here these two are bigger number and this is also bigger number. So in between the bigger numbers, one small number is placed here. So this means it will be subtracted from the bigger number. So this means 10 minus 1. So 10 plus 10, 20. 10 minus 1 is 9. So which is 29. So in this way, we will write the Roman number. Yes. Let us see the next examples for Roman numbers. So how we will write? See here, XV1 it is there. So that means 10 plus 5 plus 1 which is 16. Next example, XXXV1I it is there. XXX value is 10 plus 10 plus 10 which is 30, 5, 6, 7. So 37. When next example, LXX. L means 50, X means 10 and again X means 10. 50 plus 10 plus 10 which gives us 70. Next example, XC. You will see here, this is C is 100. This is greater number, and left side we place the smaller number. So that means 100 minus 10, which gives us 90. Next example, C, D, L, B. So here also you see D means 500. So C means 100. 500 minus 100, 400. And again here greater number, and right side we have small number. 50 plus 5, 55, 455. Next example, M, C, X, V, I. So this means here, M means 1000, M means 1000, 2000, 100, C means 100. Again here, three C's are there, which is 3 C's means 300, 2000, 300, X means 10, V means 5. So 2317. 2317. So in this way, we will write the Roman numbers. I hope you all understood how to write the Roman numbers, and till here our chapter will finish. So you all know how to write the numbers now. I hope you understood this chapter. Thank you.